Hooke Road TJ Wrangler Grille inserts compatible with 1997, 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006 Jeep TJ Wrangler Unlimited. Install securely in seconds with clip-in pin. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic and will not rust, corrode or peel. Use it to add some style and attitude to your Wrangler. Installation tips. Pop the upper grille lock pins so you can access the grille from behind. Then press, twist, and manipulate the grille and insert until each clip is fully engaged. Top reviews from the United States. Easy install, looks great. I was tired of pulling leaves out of my engine compartment on my Wrangler. These things installed extremely easily, seem to be in solid with no wiggle or rattling, and they look great. It's almost like they were always there, they blended in so well with the rest of the Jeep. Well worth the cost and they look really good.